Alright, this is Natori YH, and I'll be showing you how to make the Monogatari meme format. First of all, find the OST for Monogatari, the Suta Kima. I can't pronounce that, but you gotta find that. I'll put it in the description, and video. So I'm choosing a Nikado Avocado meme just because it's the first thing that popped into my head. So drag those onto your project file. After that, just drag them onto your timeline here. Wait, give me a second, let's put this down here and drag it on. Alright, since we're putting this into YouTube Shorts, I'll show you how to do this. Alright, so first of all, we gotta edit the video because it doesn't look too good at the moment. There we go, click on that. I believe I can also scale it up if I wanted to. But since this is a YouTube short, it's gonna be a bit more difficult since the video is not in a vertical format. So you have to do that by, losing some of the scale. Let's see, how does this look? Let's put the volume down at the moment, just because it's pretty loud. To get rid of these black bars, you can also, add the video back again. This one. It's down here. You're gonna need to change these two. Yeah. There we go. Also, just for the record, I'm not too experienced with Adobe Premiere Pro. I just started using it like a month ago-ish. Well, like 2 months ago, actually, according to the meme, I guess. Alright, so now we got the two formats. We can get the background over here and edit it. So make sure you have it selected. We're gonna scale it up big over here, so it's just, according over the back. And after that, we're gonna add an effect. Just come to here, just sort of like blur. Let's try to do a camera blur, see what happens. Ah, that's pretty good. There we go. Alright, so after you have that preset all ready to go, now all we need to do is add in the text boxes that would makes the meme. You go to color matte. Yeah, just press OK. It'll be based on what you put on for your project. Let's say a reddish kind of color, like red. Now you gotta do, put it up here. So you can also move these before it even, goes to the red. There we go. And all we need to do is, don't need to put that. You go to text, and then you just go ahead with text. Okay, it's already white. It is. Okay. So since this is Alright, before we add the text, we gotta add in the black bars to the top of this. So it looks more, professional, I would say. There we go. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is add some black bars to this red text over here. So make an adjustment layer, put it on top of the red bars, and after that, go to effects, search up crop, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Perfect. And once you have crop, go to the effect controls for the adjustment layer, and just put the top and the bottom to 10%. And there you go. You got some black bars. Alright, so we're going to be using this adjustment layer for every text we use. So first, let's see how it looks. Just gonna add some text now. So what we want to do is go to the text and just, put some text. Let's say, since this is the first scene, we call it, let's call it the chicken scene, There you go, easy money. And then just move it to the middle. You can also just press this. Oh, not this one, actually, it's this. Oh, here. There we go. Horizontal center, yeah, that's the one. And then we can just move it up as well. There we go. We also want to change the text of it, so press it out, we go, is it here? Yes. Find a nice little text. Sure, this could work. Then also gotta lower it. There we go. Not bad, not bad. Alright, after that, since the Monogatari meme format shows Japanese characteristics as well, or kanji I believe it's called, just search up a, English to Japanese word text on Google. From that, you can search up something like chicken in Japanese. wait, maybe what? Popeyes Chicken Sandwich. That's a long word. You don't have to put the whole character, like the sentence of from Japanese. You can just put something. You can only just put any characteristics you see fit. Doesn't matter as much. But you do have to make sure that it's actually compatible with, your text. Wait here. So you copy the text. There we go. Go to the Japanese and then paste. There we go. Also, make sure you have the Japanese characteristics. It's already auto-filled in the Adobe Premier Pro. Alright, so while that's done, get that out of here. You can move this right underneath it. You can put it smaller too if you really wanted to. Put it in horizontal, and look at that. Really looking pretty nice. Alright, so after you put the Japanese characteristics, you can put something like... Oh, you can't exactly see it, but... Put something like... AKA... Space in between, brackets... 420, why not? 420. Click on this, and we'll put it back in the horizontal layer. I got that. Whoops. How do I move it down? Remember, it's like this. Yeah. So you can move it down. You can put it like right here, something like that. You can also move the whole thing more down if you wanted to. Oh, not that down. Right in the middle. Perfect. Alright, it's looking pretty good at the moment. Alright. What to do next is just put more text in the bottom. Put some random Japanese characteristics. Doesn't really matter that much. You could copy this one, and you could also just put it down here. Copy. And paste is missing. Alright, so you could just copy your previous Japanese text and change it. Let's go to text, change this text here. Go to the English Japanese translator, just put whatever you want. Sure, there we go. One characteristic, which is eggs. Very nice. Center that. It's actually supposed to be a bit smaller. Let's see how it looks in the fit screen. Not bad, not bad. Let's keep this one. Alright. So after we have our title sequence, we can now put the text that he's gonna say. So we gotta make another color matte. Put it on. Let's say bluish, like a light bluish kind of look. Nice. I'll just call it blue. There we go. So after you put your color, basically just copy all of these. Copy, paste. Whoops. No, more like copy. Hold left Alt. There we go. Perfect. Alright, graphic is already good. What we need to change is the text. Alright, so after the title sequence, you can now basically just copy and paste it onto whenever he says anything. So I'm just going to speed up the video here, and then you'll see the final result. It's pretty good. Alright, you can see the full video on my YouTube channel later on. Alright. Oh yeah, also make sure to give yourself credit. Just in case someone tries to, you know, put it out there without you knowing, you can do this. Wait, give me a second. Put another, where is it? Make another adjustment layer. Yes. Bring it all the way at the top. And put the whole video over here. Click T. And on the bottom, you can make the text bigger actually. And just put your, like, you know, your username or something. Just so you can get proper credit. Bottom thing. Have the opaque to be a bit lower. And you can also change the text to, like, the font. You don't know. You can change the font so you can make it look more snazzy and stuff like that. Sure, there you go. Good enough. Good enough. And there you have it. And throughout the whole video, I'll say it. Oh wait, first we gotta... Oh, I guess you didn't really need an adjustment layer then, huh? My bad, guys. There we go. Let's make it smaller, actually. It's a bit big. So once you're done all of that, you can just go over to the audio section, which is go to audio track mixer, and just change the volume to however you want it to. So after you've given like a good listen to, around here is a good volume for it. Alright, so once you're done everything, just hit the backspace here, file, export, media. Then after all that, just you can call it something. Right now I just call it like this because that's the file name. And it's already in the phone format. Perfect. Video's good, things good. And yeah, that's just press export. Alright, check out the full video on my channel. Alright. See you guys later.